Landmine push press with our guy, Coach Jared. Let's go. All right. So landmine push press, we're gonna make sure that first they're gripping at the end of the barbell and they're interlocked like this. Good job, Coach. What we see commonly is that people might grip a little bit too much on the sleeve, and they also might do a grip like that, or good. So, or like that. Good job, Coach. Now let's get him back to a good technique. Here we go. So he's all set up. Start him right above the sternum. Good. And then just like a landmine squat, you want to make sure everything's organized. All right, so he's in a straight line, everything's packed together. And now a push press. So let's see this, Coach. Quarter squat, explode up. Bam. Good. Bam. So it's a fast motion. It's fast down, fast up. There's usually a nice pause there at the top. He comes back down and he resets. Good. You can see that. So it's a full body exercise. It's actually a lower half exercise, lower body exercise. You want to make sure the student is in that quarter squat position. Their knees are driving outward, so they're using the ground as leverage to really drive through the earth to press that barbell up. You can see the pop that Coach Jared's creating. It's heavy weight, we know that. And then let's show some bad demos here, Coach. Some common demos that we see is that the student doesn't use their lower half, so that it's all upper body. So show like mistiming. So you can see the timing's off here. You can see it's a lot of upper body involved. So again, make sure the timing's off. It's a nice little quick little quarter squat down and then fast motion up. Good. Did you hear that pop? Nice job, Coach. Love it. Good job.